These are the instructions for Workplace 6B Polygon Search. This game is a lot like the game Battleship, if you're familiar with that. The players start by spinning the spinner 3 times, and whatever polygon they land on, they will draw that on their game board. A few of the guidelines for drawing your polygons are that you can put them anywhere on the board, but they must have an area of at least 4 square units. They must have vertices that are where the X and Y coordinates cross. So in other words, where the horizontal and vertical lines cross or intersect. And the polygons may not touch each other anywhere, including the vertices. So we could not have 2 vertices on this point right here, for example. All right, once you get them sketched, then you and your partner will take turns guessing coordinates and marking on your sheet to indicate what happens when you guess a certain point. So let's look at these right here. I have some examples. One of them is at the 1, 5. So if we look over here at the 1, 5, over 1 and up 5, we see that we've hit the side of this square. So in that case, we would put a red dot there. Let's look at this one next. So we have 1, 3 was one of the guesses. So 1, 1, 2, 3. That guess did not hit anything. It didn't hit the side of a polygon or the vertex. So that in that case, we would put a blue dot there. Let's look at this one. This guess is 4, 1. If we look at 4, 1 over here, 4, 1, it is a vertex. So we're going to put a red V there. And this guess, 5, 4, if we look over here, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, we see that it is on the inside of this kite right here. And if it's on the interior of a polygon, then you're going to put a little red eye there. So as you answer your partner, you need to answer this way so that they know how to mark it. You're going to say hit. If an ordered pair falls on the side of the polygon, you're going to say vertex. If it lands on the vertex, you're going to say interior. If the ordered pair is on the inside of a polygon, and you're going to say miss if the ordered pair does not land on or inside a polygon. You're going to keep guessing ordered pairs back and forth. When you think you're ready to guess one of your players' polygons, you must name the polygon and you must give 2 of its properties correctly. So for example, on this one, if this player wanted to guess that this player has a square, they do, but it's not enough to say square. They're going to have to say something like a square has 4 sides that are all equal in length, and a square has 4 90-degree angles. Then we would consider this polygon to be identified. And so that player is 1 more step closer to winning the game. The game is going to end when one player has located and correctly identified the names and at least 2 properties for all 3 polygons. And you may find that you run out of time for this one, so you might have to play a variation where you just set a timer, and then whoever has the most hits within that time is the winner. You might also decide to play this game 2 players against 2 players. And that is how you play Polygon Search.